Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kamba Gaula and I'm here to recite a poem. It's about poets. The heading of the poem is called We Poets. It goes like this. We poets, we use synonyms and antonyms to subscribe and describe this indescribable, inexplicable truth. Collaborating verbs with prepositions to emphasize and analyze. Nouns for idolization and signification. Resuscitating, reverberating. Faith through words. For we play with words like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, sagacious, vivacious, momentous, so precious, so gracious, ambitious. Why do you look dumbfounded, flabbergasted? This is poetry. I play with words, for I gave identity for identification, clarity for clarification, informing through information, educating through education, for we are the masters of words, the authors of truth, the writers of inspiration. We poets. I thank you.